Hello, I'm Neil Lewis. I'm the founder of MediaModo, and we help entrepreneurs grow their businesses and gain liftoff. This is the fourth video in a series of 6, which all relate to the 6 parts of the Breakthrough Canvas, which is designed as a tool to help entrepreneurs navigate their way through the changing circumstances of starting, launching, and growing a business. A crucial part of your business success will depend on how your customers feel, how they feel when they receive your product or your service, and how they feel about you as a business. Maya Angelou said that people forget what we say, what we do, but they never forget how we make them feel. My daughter tells me a story about one of her friends. Her friend orders 5 or 6 dresses online, receives them, and as she opens up the boxes literally in her hall, she photographs them and asks her friends on social media, which do I keep and which do I send back? The success or the failure of each dress or each item and the packaging, it depends very much on the opinion court of her social media group. Jonathan Ives, the senior designer for Apple and vice president, he describes packaging as a piece of theatre, as having the ability to tell a story. He shows that actually great packaging can make a product feel very special. And Apple spent a vast amount of time, in fact they had one person dedicated to opening boxes so that they could design how the box opened and how people experienced that product when they first began to use it. Now remember, people have already bought the product, they've already been through the website or maybe they've been to the store, but actually what we're talking about is as that product is opened and put into use for the very first time, how does the packaging and the surrounding of that product make us feel? And this is the crucial thing, that Apple have understood that making people feel special, making that moment a piece of theatre, will make a radical difference to both how our customers appreciate the product, but also how they share it and what is said about us on social media. When our customers feel great about us, they talk to their friends. They do our marketing for us. We develop raving fans. We develop a popular base of huge enthusiasts. Think of the queues of people outside Apple stores when there's a new launch. That's what we want for all of our businesses, and it comes when we focus on how people feel. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll receive notifications about the other videos that we're releasing in the Breakthrough Canvas series. And come and join our Facebook group. Search for us as MediaModo Group on Facebook, where you can download your free copy of the Breakthrough Canvas and join us on our free online and face-to-face events across Europe.